We have introduced a new feature that allows you to create an assembly of parts. Follow these instructions to use the feature seamlessly. To begin, click on the new icon and select the company for which you want to create a quote. After selecting the company, press Next to proceed to the Add Files tab, which opens automatically. Once on this tab, locate and click the Assembly Instance icon. This action will open the Assembly Instance window, where you can enter the assembly name and specify the quantity of the assembly required. Remember to manually adjust the part quantities based on the assembly quantity you've entered. Once the details are complete, press the Submit button. After submitting, a window will pop up allowing you to add files to the assembly. You can select files from multiple locations as needed. The software will automatically detect errors in the files and support all regular functions, including adding bending, splitting parts, and other processes. Once all parts for the current assembly are added, you can create additional assemblies by repeating the process. Click the Assembly Instance icon, provide a new assembly name and quantity, and add the necessary parts. If at any point you need to edit an assembly, double-click on the assembly name under Files to make changes. You can update the assembly name and quantity as required. However, if you modify the quantity, ensure the part quantities are updated accordingly. After completing all assemblies and adding the respective parts, move to the Part List tab. Here you can adjust the part quantities, materials, and thicknesses, and add operations as usual. Parts will be listed in the order they were added in the Add Files tab. Once everything is set in the part list, proceed to the Nesting tab to nest the parts as per the normal process. After nesting, navigate to the Summary tab, where you will see the assembly names and the number of parts included in each assembly. Note that individual part previews are not displayed for assemblies at this stage. Finally, you can add any additional costs, such as shipping, in the Summary tab. The PDF quote will include the assembly names and the total cost for each assembly, giving you a clear and professional presentation of your quote.